Hi there, it's Karen here from Turquoise Treasures, and I'm back with you today to start putting in some pockets, some tags, some journal cards, some various ephemera into my bird journal. Now it's already quite fat because, as you know, we've filled it full of ruffles and pockets and all sorts of things. It's already got a lot of stuff in it, so I doubt if I use everything I've got. I'll show you what I've got to use. It's a massive pile. I've made so much stuff, but then of course I had those kits which had a lot of stuff, a lot of ephemera included. So I'll show you what I've got, and I've still got some that I haven't actually finished decorating or that are ready to use. So I'll just put this aside for one moment and I'll just show you all the things we have. So I have got these large tags, a whole pile of large ones. So some of these, or most of these, I've probably decorated off camera. So there's a big pile of them. They pretty much all come from the kits. The Beautiful Birds by Artie Mays, and then Nature's Remedies by Artie Mays and Tracy Fox. Then I have some medium size tags. A few of these were done, like for instance these two were done as part of Roxy's weekly challenge using vellum on book page, so they're a bit different. This one I made ages and ages ago. I mean, goodness knows when, a couple of years ago probably, one of the first things I made. But it's got a bird on it and I thought it would work, and it's a bit different to the others, and it's a sort of little flip up. I suppose it's sort of a tag, sort of a, you know, journal card, not quite sure what you'd call it. It's a bit tag shaped but not completely. Another one, I think, not sure when I made this. Don't even know if it was, I don't think it was from Rachel's weekly challenge, but it could have been. I can't remember. I don't think so. I think that's just an old one. This is definitely from her challenge, and this is one from a kit. And so that's those. And then I have these smaller tags. I suspect it'll be the small tags I might run out of because I haven't got very many. I've only got 4 or 5. Just a few small tags. So I might find that I have to go off and make some more of those, I don't know. And then of course, because I actually did this morning, I've got these tags from the latest Roxy's challenge. So these are all the nature tags on fabric, which I love, and I'm going to certainly try and at least include one of these, because we have birds, we have flowers, we have butterflies, we have everything that would go in this journal. So that's those. So it's a big pile of just tags. Then we go on to the journal cards. So I have 2 piles of those. Kind of standard size, I suppose you'd call them. Some of them are double, like this. Like so. And some of them are that way round. So if they go in that way. But most of them are going to be portrait orientated. This is one from Rachel's challenge. It's got the vellum over the little pockets that have got ephemera in, and I've just got some ephemera in there. I may still add some more, I don't know yet. But yeah, I really like that. Yeah, so that's that one. A whole bunch of cards from the kits. Some have got decoration on, some haven't. That one's been a bit more decorated. And this one is a double journal card with a little booklet inside. So I definitely want to try and include that. And that was made with Stamperia paper. So that's the sort of what I'd call standard journal cards. And then I've got some small ones as well. Small journal cards, slightly all different sizes and different orientations. I think these were based on some Pocket Life cards I had. I just made a few like that. So that's the journal cards. Then, excuse me, I have this pile of other stuff that I've made along the way. This is a little booklet with ephemera inside, and just opens out like that. And there's some just little tags inside it, made with the Stamperia pad, and a bit of sari silk to close it up. Whoops. See if I can tie a bow. A slightly neater bow than I did before, with any luck. There we are. Might just have to trim that a little bit. I think there's a bit too much. Not like that. A bit too much ribbon here. Let's just trim that a little. Okay, so I've got that. I've got 2 or 3 envelopes here, which I may or may not use. This one is just from the kit. I haven't done anything with it, so I may not use that. This one is a tall envelope, and I put a little closure on it, which I'm hoping hasn't stuck it down. It may have done a little bit. Oh no. Oh dear. I'll have to do something about that. And it's got a journal card inside there. So I might have been a bit generous with the glue on that one, so I'll have to sort that out. Then these 2 I made on camera. Well, I made one of them on camera and then one of them afterwards. These little matchbook booklets that I made. So I should put one of these in. Don't know which one yet. Be Ip Dip Do, I think. They're pretty similar. There's another, that's an envelope. And this is an envelope that I made, I think, as part of Rachel's challenge, or quite early on, made with a book page. And I really like this because I would like a book, an envelope to put my letter in, you know, at the beginning of the book, to say what the journal's all about. So I think that might be the one I'm going to use, and I'll be able to put my letter in here. Either of these 2 would be okay, but I think as I made this, I think I'd like to put that one in. So that's going to go in the front. I don't know if I use this, I might do, and put one of the journal cards in it, just for something different. Then I've got these 2 larger pieces that I made. I'll just remind myself, it's been a while since I made this one. So this is this flip out booklet thing, so it's got a journal card here, a couple of little tags here. They've both been backed so they can be written on. And I think this probably had, yeah, this was already a journal card, so that's been, doesn't need any extra backing. That's in there. And then we've got this flip up writing space here, and this little booklet making notes. So that's that. And that just pops. That was made quite some while ago. That was based on, I think it's a Corey Darman design, this one. And then this one wasn't so long ago. You saw me make this not very long ago. This little, again, a little flip out. A couple of there's a journal card there, and then it flips out there. Little journal card here, a couple of little cards in here, and a bigger one here. And then, whoops, and then another one at the back. So these have definitely got to go in. They may go in belly band or side tuck or something like that. So let's get going and put some of these things in the journal. Clear a bit of space. Bring this big boy back in and get started. So I think for now I'm just going to pop that in that pocket, just so I know that's where that's going to go. It is possible I'll be able to put something else in there, but I am considering making a bookmark, that's the word, bookmark, which I might pop in here as well. So I've got a side tuck here, so let's have a look. I'm wondering whether to put one of my bigger things in this side tuck, although I've got, no, I think I'll put, let's see, let's have a look at the journal cards. What about this one in here? No, I think it goes better that way, not sure. That's the same bird there. Perhaps I'll put that in there. I may also put in a tag, perhaps I'll do that as well. What about one of these? No, doesn't quite work. Too pale. I need a bit more colour. So if I might put that one in and then change this one out for a slightly more colourful. How about that one? Alright, let's see how that goes. I can always change things. So I need a pocket, something in there. Tall tag, I think, for that one. Let's have a look. That one in there. And can we get another one in? Let's have a look at some of these. Not the really small ones. Some more. No, that's too fat. That one. Okay. Yep. Right, so this is a side tuck if I decide I want to put anything in there. We'll see. I've got two pockets here. Have I got a? Oh, I've got a big pocket here. So that go. How far down? Oh, I didn't make it a deep one, did I? I think I put some glue across it so it wouldn't go down too far. Okay. In that case, I can put that one in. And let's put a couple of, see if I can get any of the smaller journal cards in here. Is that going to fit? What about this one? Oh yes. Alright. I think they might go in there nicely. Okay, flip up. It's just decorative rather than, there's nothing hiding behind there apart from a bit of decoration. That one's got its journal card. This one's all done. So some of these things don't need anything adding to them. This is all full of things. So we have a pocket here. I'm going to use my book weight just to hold that in place while I find something to put in it. Big journal card, not that colour though. No. What about that? I like it because it brings it. I've got the pink in the corner and also pink in the ruffle. So I think that will go in there. That doesn't, excuse me, it doesn't need anything. I need something in here. That's where one of these One of these things might come in handy. There, goes in there nicely. Oh, and something in here as well. Ooh, this has got an extra little pocket. I need to put something in there, don't I? Where's my little tags? I've got some small tags here. No, that doesn't fit. This one. Oops. Oh, that matches. It fits perfectly. I'm not sure I want it to match, but it might be the only one that fits. Let's try this one. No, I'd rather have that. Yeah. Okay, so that's in there. And then that might just tuck in here. Oh, and there's something else got to go here. Or maybe that'd be too bulky then. Oh, there's another one with a pocket. Oh, I forgot I made those. Right, so I need to put something in that pocket too. Okay, is it going to fit? Just about, yes, I think that's all right in there. But neither of those will go in here because this has already got a little. Now let's have a look at my small journal cards. See if I can pop one of those in here. Maybe that's a bit big, maybe a tag would be better. Small tag, like that. Yes, that fits better. And then a simple journal card, a simple large tag at the back there. That's nice. I like that, how it brings all the green in. Yep, I'm liking that. Okay, we haven't even got to the middle yet. And it's already getting quite fat. Okay, something to go in here. So one of these maybe. How big is that going to be? It might be a bit too much. Oh, how about that? Because I've got the lilac. And then I can put in another little journal card behind it. How about this one? A bit of lilac. There we are. In the middle. And I don't think I showed you, I put a couple of little charms. That's a little bird. They're tiny, tiny. And a butterfly in the middle there. Right, what have we got here? So it's a double pocket. So I need something. I think I needed something fairly tall, so maybe something like that. That's quite simple to go above. And a small journal card. I'm just wondering, this might be a bit bulky because I put a snippet on it, didn't I? So I might have made life difficult for myself. No, I think it's too wide anyway. What about a small tag? Something like that. Yeah, why not? Okay. And I've got an up tuck here. could put something like this, because that would go, and the bulk of the button won't interfere with the pocket. I'll pop that up there like that. Yep. And then I've got a double one here. That fit? Not really. I knew I'd have a problem with having not enough small tags. That one might work in there, actually. Yeah, look at that. That works. It's upside down a bit, but that doesn't matter. At least it's gone in. I don't think I've got anything else that would go in anyway, as far as I can remember. And then I might put this in here. Okay. Let's see how we're getting on. We've got this. Okay, we need another something in there. Have I got another big pocket? I'm wondering if I can get my fox in here, although I might put him in the back pocket actually. I think I'll put him in here. Yep. I think that would make sense. Right. Let's see. Double journal card in there. Don't have anything I have to put in here. This is just writing space. This has already got its card in. And this one has already got its tag. Right, something to go in here. How's that going to work? No, I don't think so. What about this one? No, because he gets his head cut off doing that, doesn't he? Right. Can I put in there? Let's have a look at my journal cards. See if I can find one that would look nice in there. And that doesn't get his head cut off. Is that going to fit? That'd be quite nice if that fit, and I can put a little tab on it then. Oh, is it tight? No, it's not really going to go in, which is a shame because that would be quite nice in there. Right. See if I've got anything else that would go. I've got my little pieces of ephemera. I wonder if I can just just add a few more. See what else I can find to pop in there. In my little ephemera box. Get rid of the bigger pieces. Not time to go in there, will it? The little little tickety thing. Pop that in. Want something a bit bigger. Got my dragonfly. He could go in. Nests and eggs. Put that in there as well. Okay, that's probably enough little bits of nonsense. Okay, one more thing. One of these. There we are. Nice little stuffed pocket. Now I'm just wondering, I might put this paper clip on it again, because at least it will indicate there's a reason for it to be held closed. It's a nice little gold paper clip. That go in here like so. Okay, that doesn't look too bad because the bird's visible in there. Let's have a think. Now I've got a narrow little pocket here. Have I got a narrow little card or tag that will go in it? That's the question. Yep, I have. Okay, that's gone in. And something to go in here. What have I got that I haven't used? Oh, I don't know whether I could really double up on that, can I? It's a bit too much. And the same with this. It's the same pattern on both, so I can't use the envelope. I need something that's been a bit more, it's a bit more decorated. Put that in there. Okay. Oh, I really like that. Maybe I'll put that in. Save on bulk a little bit. So then we've got, got a little pocket here. Where did that little I had a little tiddly tag, didn't I? That would pop in there, wouldn't it? Yeah. That might just pop in there. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Let's see how we're doing. I haven't quite got everything in I wanted to get in. What's that doing there? But I think I probably got as much in as I'm going to. I haven't been able to get this in, but I think I'll probably push my luck with what I have put in there anyway. Let's have a think, see if there's anything else I can swap out. I'll close it. Lucky I made it quite, the cover is quite big, so it does go round it. See how thick that is. If I do a good strong closure, it might just hold it together okay. And that's not too bad. It's pretty fat, which is why I think I will make a a writing board to go with it, and possibly a bookmark. But that is all, and do the closure. They're the things I still need to do. So I quite like the few bits and pieces poking out the top. So I think for now that will do. I may play around, swap things in and out. Like I think I might swap that out. Possibly swap that in because I like it. Yeah, I haven't got anything in there, but I don't think it matters. I think it's just decorative anyway. I think we're doing okay. Got quite a. It's pretty stuffed. Let's face it. It's got lots in here. Lots of places to write. Lots of things to discover. I think that will be okay. And I don't even know if my friend will want to write in it anyway, so we'll see. Okay, bit of a shorter one today, which is pretty good because this is the second journal I've done this today, so that's probably not a bad thing. I've probably got enough. Look at this. I'll show you what I've still got left. I have got enough tags and journal cards and goodness knows what else to make certainly one more journal. So I probably will end up doing another nature journal because that's what a lot of people make them anyway. But with the emphasis on birds probably. But yeah, look at all this pile. And there's not. Oh, there's more here. There's more. Oh, look at that. So yeah, I may play around and do a bit of swapping in and out, change some, put some favourites in where I think they need, but at least now I've got things in the pockets. I know how it fits together, and I don't know if I'll get this in. I might try and squeeze this in because I like it. It's cute. We'll see. Otherwise I'll use it in another journal. Okay, that's enough for today, I think, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.